Hi there, this is Melissa Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm going to talk about note cards and Noodletools, what they look like, and how to create a new one. So this is a project that I have already created that's got lots of note cards associated with it. As you can see, they are color-coded, which are some options that you can do under the tags button. So I can change colors, I can add cues for my teacher, and I can also add tags, and the tags are things that you have created. You create those by going under the Manage Tags button. So note cards are movable. You just drag and drop. You can pile them up. You can color code them, put them into groups, whatever you need to do. So you have two ways to add note cards from this note cards button on your dashboard. You can just go over here and click New, and it'll bring up your note cards box. You're going to give your note card a title, something that tells you what this note card is going to be about. And then most importantly, you need to select the source that this note card is coming from. So you would find whichever source it is that you are using. And then in this first box, you're going to have what the direct quotation is. Now, sometimes your direct quotation is just copying and pasting your information. So it could be a quote from an article, but also notice that you have the option to put in pictures or YouTube videos. So it's multimedia, and you can kind of put in what you need to there. Over in this box, you are going to put whatever that information is from the direct quotation. You're just going to paraphrase that, summarize it, put it in your own words. And then in the last box, this is our most important, this is the analysis piece. So what does this information do to help us argue the topic that we've come up with for our research? So you're going to put that information here. How does this explain whatever the topic of your project is? You can add your tags down here. Remember, these are the ones that you've added yourself. They could be the different paragraphs that you have, or whatever it is. You don't have to add tags, but it is an option. You would hit Save and Close, and then it would add that note card. The other place that you can add your sources is by clicking on the Sources tab at the top. And then if you look down, you'll see all your sources there, and over here under Note Cards, you would just click New. So you would find the source that you want to have a note card for, click New, and it pops up that same exact box. So those are the two different ways to add note cards, and a little bit about what they look like and how you use them in Noodletools. If you have any questions, just contact the media specialist at your local school. Have a good day.